it's Sindus, and today I'm going to explain with the adding and subtracting polynomials. So we have to simplify each expression. In order to simplify, we're going to have to combine like terms. So in order to combine like terms, the exponents have to be equivalent. So for number 1, this 5p squared can be combined with 2p squared. And then we have the single terms of negative 3 and negative 3p cubed. So we're going to write this negative 3p cubed plus our 5p squared plus our 2p squared, which is 7p squared, and then finally subtracting that negative 3. And this is the final answer for number 1. This is my second example. Now we know that addition is commutative, meaning that the order terms in doesn't matter. However, subtracting the 3a square minus 4a cubed is the same as adding a negative 3a square minus 4a cubed. So I'm gonna write a cubed plus 2a square plus negative 3a square plus 4a cubed. Like we distributed the negative into the what's inside the parentheses. So now let's go ahead and combine our like terms. We can combine the a cubed with the 4a cubed, and we can also combine the negative 2a square with the negative 3a square, since the exponents are similar. So a cubed plus 4a cubed, which will give us a 5a square cubed, and then negative 2a square plus negative 3a square equals negative 5 square. So the answer of number 2 is 5a cubed minus 5a squared. In number 3, it's all addition, so we don't have to worry about distributing a negative. Our similar terms, we have two constants of 4 and 2. We have 2n cubed, 2n cubed, and 5n cubed. So combining those first will give me 7n cubed plus 4 plus 2 is 6. So 7n cubed plus 6 is the answer. Moving on to number 4, we are subtracting terms. So remember, subtracting is the same as adding. So I'm gonna go ahead and distribute that negative. I'll rewrite this as 4n plus negative 3n cubed plus negative 3n cubed plus negative 4n. Yes, so to combine, I have 4n and a negative 4n, and I also have negative 3n cubed and a negative 3n cubed. Negative 3 plus negative 3 is a negative 6, so I have negative 6n cubed, and then 4n plus negative 4n is 0, so my final answer is negative 6n. And number 5, again, I'm going to add a negative and then distribute that. So it's going to be 3a square plus 1 plus negative 4 plus negative 2a square. Now let's combine. I have 3a square and negative 2a square. And I have two constants, 1 and a negative 4. Combining those, 3a square plus negative 2a square will be a positive 1, which is a square. And then a positive 1 and negative 4 will leave me with the negative 3. So a square minus 3 is the answer of number 5.